Hello everyone, so in this video I'll explain what an application load balancer is and also we will see some real world examples, okay? So let's start. So what is an application load balancer now? So basically it's a AWS service. Okay, let me just zoom in bit. Hmm. So it's basically a AWS service. Its purpose is to distribute your request, okay? So whatever user sends a request, this ALB what it does, it distributes the request to the different EC2 instances. So like instead of users directly hitting one EC2 instance, they hit the load balancer first, and then load balancer what it does, it decides where it has to send the traffic, and that it decides based on the some like rules it has, like it can decide based on the URL path, like if it is suppose slash APIs something, then it will hit the one this EC2 instance. If it is slash images or something, it will hit to this EC2. If it has something slash users, then it will head to the this EC2 instance. So based on the different API endpoints, it will decide like to which EC2 instance traffic has to go. So it's basically a smart thing, not just a traffic forwarder, okay? So now the question is, why do we need it? Okay, so it solves the very big problem which we face, that is the problem of high availability and scalability. So like if you have only one server and it crashes, then your application will go down, right? So if too many users visit at the same time, in that case what will happen, one server may overload. So that's why these two problems it solves. And how it solves, so whenever you create a load balancer, so in that case you also create this auto scaling groups, you create the target groups, you define the things like when your EC2 instance should scale up to 5 instances, or when it should they scale down. So with all these cases the scalability is covered, and also high availability, as the same thing is running in different availability zones, okay? So now we'll see on this diagram, okay? So here you will see with this things will be clear. So suppose you are building an e-commerce website, it is running, and you can just think of this. So now users you will visit your site, and it will come through internet gateway, and here it comes application load balancer, okay? This one here. So after that what will happen, uh, it will check any rules, whatever rules has been defined. If user wants to go to this one, like something like slash API, then what will happen, this ALB will redirect the traffic to those particular EC2 instance. And also here you can see the use case, like suppose if any your EC2 instance is down, it's not working properly, so the traffic will redirect it to the whatever instances which is in the healthy state. So ALB also can route traffic based on the path which we covered here, and all these things. So this is the overall flow you can see here. You have APC also, everything, your public subnets, and how traffic is coming. So user is coming through this to load balancer, decide based on the path, it goes, it directs to the different EC2 instances. If any instance is down, then it forwards the request to the whatever healthy instances is there. So this is the overall thing about the ALB, okay? So that's it, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Thank you so much for watching.